In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard. The Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard offers a premium typing experience with its fluid and quiet mechanical switches. Designed for efficiency and comfort, it features tactile quiet switches that provide a satisfying tactile feedback while minimizing noise. Additionally, users can choose between clicky and linear switches based on their preference. Constructed with a low-carbon aluminum top case, this keyboard combines durability with a sleek aesthetic. Its low-profile keys and full-size layout enhance ergonomics, ensuring comfortable typing for extended periods. Convenient indicators for caps lock and battery status further optimize user experience. Smart illumination is a standout feature, with backlit keys that automatically adjust based on ambient lighting conditions. This not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of sophistication to the keyboard. Number 2. Velocifier M87 Keyboard. The Velocifier M87 Mac Layout Mechanical Keyboard is tailored specifically for Mac users, seamlessly integrating with your Mac system without the need for manual configuration. Its design harmonizes effortlessly with the aesthetic of Mac devices, boasting an exquisite layout and firmware that complements the Mac environment. Featuring brown switches, the keyboard offers an enhanced typing experience with optimized key travel distance and tactile feedback, ensuring both comfort and precision with each keystroke. This makes for a satisfying typing experience, reducing fatigue and potential discomfort associated with prolonged typing sessions. In terms of ergonomics, the M87 keyboard is thoughtfully designed with slightly curved keys and a simplistic layout, aiming to alleviate typing fatigue and mitigate the risk of carpal tunnel pain, promoting long-term comfort and well-being. Number 3. Logitech G915. The Logitech G915 is a high-performance gaming keyboard designed to offer flexibility and freedom from cords while delivering pro-grade performance. Its Lightspeed wireless technology ensures a seamless gaming experience with no lag, providing up to 40 hours of gameplay on a single full charge. Additionally, its tankless design maximizes desk space for smoother mouse movements, while the USB receiver can be conveniently stored in the back of the keyboard for enhanced portability. One of the standout features of the G915 is its LightSync technology, which provides customizable RGB lighting that synchronizes with any content, allowing users to personalize each key or create custom animations from a palette of approximately 16.8 million colors using the Logitech G Hub software. Furthermore, the keyboard's low-profile mechanical switches offer the speed, accuracy, and performance of a traditional mechanical switch at half their height, with options including GL tactile, GL linear, or GL clicky switches to suit different preferences. Number 4. Keychron K2. The Keychron K2 is a compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard boasting a 75% layout with 84 keys. Its standout feature is the retention of shortcut and arrow keys, making it convenient for various tasks. Equipped with white LED backlighting, it offers visibility in dim environments, and the elegant keycap legends enhance typing accuracy. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth capability, allowing seamless switching between up to 3 devices. The inclusion of the latest Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset ensures reliable connections with smartphones, laptops, and iPads, making it suitable for home, office, and light gaming use. Additionally, it can be used in wired mode via USB Type-C connection. Designed with a unique Mac layout, the K2 caters to Mac users while remaining compatible with Windows systems. It comes with extra keycaps for both operating systems, ensuring versatility. Battery life is impressive, with the K2 boasting up to 72 hours of continuous typing or up to 7 days of normal use, thanks to its sizable 4000 mAh battery, one of the largest in mechanical keyboards. The keyboard offers N-key rollover, NKRO, in wired mode or 6-key rollover, 6KRO, in wireless mode, ensuring accurate input during intense typing sessions or gaming. Number 5. Keychron V6. The Keychron V6 is a versatile full-sized custom mechanical keyboard designed to meet the diverse needs of users in various situations. Featuring 108 keys, it offers extensive customization possibilities and excellent typing comfort. Equipped with double-shot PBT keycaps, an acoustic silicone pad, screw-in stabilizers, and pre-lubed switches, the V6 ensures a satisfying typing experience. Its compatibility with QMK via support allows for easy programming and remapping of keys, enabling users to tailor the keyboard to their preferences. One of its standout features is hot swappable support, allowing users to interchange switches without soldering. The keyboard supports a wide range of mechanical switches, including Cherry, Gateron, Kale, and Panda, providing flexibility for users to customize their typing experience.